Hello, my dear students. Exams are nearing. I hope you all are getting ready for the examination. Today, I'm here to address few important points that you all should remember a day before and on the day of examination. Firstly, keep your examination entrance card ready. Cross-check your stationeries, which is required for your examination. Make sure about the location of examination center. Just revise the concepts which you have already learned. Don't try to learn new concepts. Have a sufficient sleep and get up early in the morning. On the day of examination, have sufficient breakfast before entering into the examination hall. Carry a water bottle. Drink water to keep yourself hydrated. Reach your examination center in advance. Do not delay. Check the classrooms for which your register number is allotted. Don't start anything new or listen to new concepts at last minute. Be satisfied with whatever you know. Stay calm. Read the instructions on your answer sheets carefully before starting the examination. Listen to your invigilators. Check the number of pages in your answer booklet, whether all the pages are ruled. Be careful while filling the details in the answer booklet. Do not make mistakes. Check whether your question paper is printed on all the sides. Please write the question numbers and sub-question numbers correctly. Go through your paper once after you finish before submitting. Don't get distracted or talk to others. These are the things which you have to remember before going to the examination. Thanks for watching. I wish all the very best and good luck for everyone, my dear students. For more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Study of Science. You can also follow on other social medias. Thank you.